Congratulations! Your clients went on a cruise and did an onboard booking, and so that booking is coming back to you now, and you need to be able to keep track of it in Vacation Creations. So go to add a new reservation, choose your client, put in the reservation number, and then typically I just put their last name, put that it's an onboard booking, maybe it's say Disney Cruise Line, and then over here you want to make sure you get that product in there. Now when it comes to the resort or the ship, you don't know what it is yet, so choose the onboard booking. You'll also want to mark the special offer as an onboard booking to remember, because once you actually do change this into an actual sailing, it will stay on there and you'll know that that special offer was that onboard booking. The client put down their deposit today on April the 7th, and so they have 2 years in order to sail. So I'm gonna move this out to 2028. Always check that reservation confirmation, but it should give you that date. In this case, that date is April the 6th of 2028. So I will do that for both the check-in and the checkout, because that'll just trigger in my head that I'll know this booking will fall to the bottom of my bookings unless I have anything later in 2028. Obviously there's no reservation cost yet. I will hit save. And then here I will go in and put in the payment information, because obviously they did that deposit on board. So the payment type is a deposit. Their method was the onboard deposit. They did that today. And then I will hit save. Obviously too, we don't know a final payment date. Not going to fill anything else out here at this point, but you'll be able to track this onboard booking because it will come up in your reservations. Once that client reaches out to you, you've got it here under the reservation number. You can easily then go in, change the date to what their new sail date will actually be, put in their resort ship that they're going to sail on, and then of course all this information will be filled out then. And if you have emails set up that automatically go out to the clients, you may want to double check that nothing goes out to them, but typically by setting this check-in and check-out date 2 years in advance, it likely wouldn't go out. And then when you do put the actual sailing in, then you will go back and it will pick up the new dates that you'll need for those emails to go out. So it's an easy way to keep track of those bookings.